welcome back to another video here in SugarPinkDIY. And since Christmas is right around the corner, we will be drawing a really cute gingerbread man, just like the one I have on my face. So I really hope you like the idea and the video, and without any further ado, let's go on to the video. Alright friends, so to start off, I will be using a black marker so it's easier for you to see and follow along. But you can use a pencil so you can redraw or erase anything you mess up. Start off with the cute Christmas tree cookie, add 2 gumdrops, and continue drawing the side of the mug. Our cute gingerbread man will be inside our mug, so after drawing our mug's handle, continue drawing our gingerbread man's hands. And just like that, I made an accidental rhyme. Mug's man's hands. Draw some marshmallows here and there, of course, inside the hot chocolate. Add a candy cane straw, and to make our gingerbread man more cute, add a small bow and start off drawing his hat. And of course, since it's winter and Christmas, we'll be adding a small beanie with a huge pom-pom. And since it's Christmas and Christmas is the happiest time of the year, we will be drawing a huge smiley face on our gingerbread man. Draw 2 cute buttons on his chest and draw a cute design on your mug. You can draw a snowflake, a candy cane, a gingerbread man, a gingerbread house, a Christmas tree, or even write a name. Once your drawing is complete, it is time for you to decorate and color it in. If you want, you can tag me on your drawing so I can post your creation here on a future video, so I will be linking my social media down below. And now I will be quiet so you can enjoy a quick time lapse of how I colored it in. Alright guys, and this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked the idea and enjoyed the video. I like to invite you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the future or following videos. And see you on a following video. Bye guys!